Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jeannie and this is Get This Glowing, and if you have never been here before, then welcome. I am so glad that you finally found us. And if you have been here before, welcome back. I am so glad that you keep stopping by and choosing to spend a part of your day with me. Thank you so much. It really means a lot to me that you choose to spend a part of your day with me. And in today's video, guys, if you've been here before, then you know I've been on vacation and I need to get caught up, and I have got quite a few boxes here. I have got my Allure beauty box for the month of December, and guys, you know this is that one that is like slamming. It is so good because you know that I'm nosy as I'll get out and I couldn't stand it. I had to look at the spoilers. But then I think that I ordered some like Boxycharm, maybe FOMO boxes or something. So I have got a couple of boxes from Boxycharm and I don't know what they are. So yeah, so I don't know. So let's get into them and see what they are. So I just want to get these opened and get caught up a little bit with what I have to get caught up on, since I thought my husband was gonna like have a coronary, because whenever we got back they had held my mail, and so whenever we got back there was so many boxes. Yeah, it wasn't good. Anyway, so. Oh, I know what this is. Yeah, this is part of my Boxy pop-up. Hello. So this is, let me tell you what it is. This is the I Love Sarah E times Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette. So they had this for some reason. You could get your hands on this. And I have this highlighting palette, and I wanted this because this would make a set for me. So I have this cute little, you know, the highlighter. Samantha March raves about this highlighter, and I have the highlighter from this. So I wanted this palette, and this was the one that you could get instead of the Sassy Siennas. Remember whenever they did the Sassy Siennas and the Baked Browns and the mauves and all of those different ones that came in that box? And so this was one that you could actually purchase, and so I picked this one up. And so that is, I don't know if it was one that was on deal during the Boxy pop-up or not, but I picked one of these up. And then there is another little box, so let's see what's in it. Okay, so this must be my FOMO box. So this is version number 3 down there in the corner. And so I want to say that this is the Boxy FOMO April FOMO box. So I got a set of the Luxie. These are the mini brushes, and these are the ones that are in the gold. So they come, I actually have these brushes and I like them very much, because sometimes whenever you have hooded eyes, sometimes having a very small brush that's detailed to just kind of get in to that hood area on your crease is very, very nice. So it comes with a set of 4 brushes, and I like the fact that these are kind of gold detailed, because then you can tell instead of, they have a set that's white. I should preface that. So they have a set of these same brushes that are white, but you can't really tell those apart from the Jaclyn Hill times Morphe brushes. And with these you can, because these are gold on the end of the brushes. So it makes finding them amongst the rest of your brushes very easy. So this is a nice little brush set. So because I already have this brush set, I will probably be putting this in a future giveaway. So that is a very nice little brush set to have. So I'll just seal those right back up. So I really like these. And then you got the Ace Beauty Grandiose palette, and I have this palette as well. And it is a very pretty warm palette. I actually like this palette very much. So this is a really pretty palette. And So I'm just going to put this right back like it came because, like I said, I already have this palette. So that's awesome. So I can do a giveaway with this as well. So that's wonderful. And then it came with, and I don't have this, and I've actually wanted this for quite some time. This one, this box came with the Pretty Vulgar. This is it's called the Ink Gel Eyeliner. So whenever you open it up, it's like kind of a gel eyeliner down inside it, but it kind of looks like it would be a liquid inkwell, but it's really not. It's just a gel eyeliner down on the inside. So then you can use this to put a brush down in and use that like a gel eyeliner. So I do not have that. And then it comes with two of my favorite masks. These are the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. These are wonderful face masks. I love these face masks from Tatcha. It's my favorite line, the Dewy Skin Mask. And it comes with a Tartist Shimmering Lip Paint, and this is in the color Strike Gold. Wonder what that color looks like. Let's see. Oh, this is a very, very shimmering gold lip paint, and I don't think I'm gonna swatch this one just yet because it's a very high metallic, so I may end up putting that. I actually think that I would probably use this, but I have one by Jouer that is very, very similar to this one. It came with the Molten Gold or either the Rose Gold Holiday highlighting set last year. So it's very, very similar to this. And that's why I'm not swatching it, because it's almost identical. This one may have just a little bit more of a peachier tone, and I use it as a lip topper. And so that's why I'm not going to swatch this, because otherwise I would be all about this. But the one that I have, it looks like this. See how it's really, really shimmery? And so you just use this as a lip topper right here. So it is so similar to that one. And I just use it right in the center of my lips like this. And I really like it. And like I said, it looks very similar to this one. So see how this one has this shine to it right here, and then this one has these metallic flakes right here. So I already have one, and you know, you're not going to use this on probably an everyday basis. So I have this one that I use, you know, for special occasions that, you know, I want that real shimmery lip. So I can put this one in a giveaway for one of you guys, so I don't want to swatch it. And that's the reason why. So I will probably put this one in a giveaway. So yeah, so that I think was the April FOMO box. So what I will do is I will put the Luxie brushes, the Tartist Shimmering Lip Paint, and the Ace Beauty. Can you see all of that? So these three items so far, I will put in a flash giveaway. So hold on and let's see if there's anything else to go in that flash giveaway. And let's open up the Allure Beauty Box. Okay, let's get into the Allure Beauty Box and see what's inside of it, because I think I pretty much know what's inside. But by this point, can't exactly remember. So now, if you don't know, Allure Beauty Box is one of the best beauty boxes around. You get full-size items, you get deluxe size samples in here. You just never know what you're going to get, and it is a $15 a month subscription box service, and it comes in these nice little boxes like this. I really like the size of these boxes. They are just really nice for repackaging small items up, and so I usually save these for shipping purposes. So this box, the December Allure Beauty Box, was curated by Anastasia of ABH Cosmetics, Anastasia Beverly Hills Cosmetics, and it is supposed to be the box to be had from Allure, like probably the best box of the year from ABH. So and there she is. She's just beautiful. She's right there on the cover, and just absolutely gorgeous. So let's get in here and see what's inside. And there should be a coupon code for ABH for receive 25% off a single product. ABH times Allure at the checkout. So that's awesome. And that is December 1st through January the 31st if you're interested. Okay, and so as we get in here, the first thing is, it looks like a full size of the Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. So this is awesome. Let's see what it says about that. First Aid Beauty's Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. This is the ultimate beauty twofer. It's hydrating and priming, so it's good at both. And it won a coveted Allure Best of Beauty Award last year. The scent and moisturizer effects come from coconut water, not fake. Laboratory coconut, so it doesn't have that cloying, sugary, sweet smell. The coconut water infuses skin with amino acids, enzymes, and antioxidants to plump and hydrate the skin, while quinoa protein constructs a protective barrier on the skin, and a blend of minerals promotes overall skin health. So the price is $28. Where to buy it? At firstaidbeauty.com. So you can also get 15% off at First Aid Beauty of a single product. So that's awesome. And I do think that this is a full-size product. Then we have the Christoph Robin. This is a cleansing purifying scrub with sea salt. This is a glittering sticky paste that looks like it's made of crushed opals, and it retails for $53. A shampoo, but it's not a normal shampoo. It uses salt crystals in a conditioning paste to rid the scalp of dead skin and product buildup. So this is not a full size. This is just a deluxe sample. I don't know how many ounces it is, but enough to try, enough to give it a try. So that's awesome. Then we have an Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick, and mine is in the shade Trust Issues. Ooh, it's pretty. It's kind of like a plummy mauve color, and ooh, that's vampy. So there's what that looks like. Ooh, actually, that would look good with my shirt. Let's see. Is that too much with my eye? I mean, it goes well with my eye, but is the eye too strong? And then having that lip be that strong, is it just like, ugh, too much strongness? But I like that color of that lip. Wow. I really like it. Oh, thank you, Anastasia Beverly Hills. I like it. Okay, so then I have another, this is a deluxe sample size of the Clear Brow Gel by Anastasia, and I really like this. This is a very good product. It works really good. Your brows stay in place really good. It's clear, so, you know, ABH does brows really well. So this is a great product, so I definitely am happy to have another one of those. And then, of course, we get a full size of the of the Moonchild palette, so I'm really happy to have that. So yeah, I mean, this is just an amazing box in Allure for $15. I mean, really, you know, and this is a great highlighter. I have seen these at TJ Maxx and Marshalls, you know, but oh my goodness, really, this is so cool to get this inside of a $15 a month subscription box. So, you know, I just think that Allure knocks it out of the park, and their customer service is great. I love my Allure box, so I'm really happy. Of course, this month was, you know, slamming. They're not always, you know, this slamming. You know, this is the December box. Maybe it's a Merry Christmas thank you to all their subscribers, but this is a absolute fantastic box. What else can you say about a $15 box that you get, you know, a full-size ABH highlighter palette, you know, a full-size lippy that you actually are in love with, a brow gel that's of a very good size, a Hello Fab primer that's awesome. What more can you say? I mean, Allure really knocked it out of the park this month. So, Merry Christmas to me. I can put this in the flash giveaway as well. To enter the giveaway, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel. I would like to ask a question. So all you got to do is say, enter me. And then, if you wouldn't mind, I would like to know if you would like for me to do lives on my channel in 2020. And if you would, what day, if I did them during the day on the weekends, would you rather I do Saturday or would you rather I do Sunday? And I was thinking around the 3 p.m. mark. Or would you rather an evening during the week? So weekend during the day or evening during the week? What works better for you? So if you don't mind, that's not required for the giveaway, but if you don't mind, give me a shout out and let me know what you prefer. So all you have to do is but for the giveaway, all you have to do is be subscribed and just say enter me. And so we will draw for this flash giveaway on Wednesday. So it's just real quick giveaway for this. That's why I'm going to call it, I'm going to borrow from Just Gus and call this a flash giveaway. So Jess, I hope you don't mind if I'm borrowing from you and calling it a flash, because this is going to be a fast giveaway. So anyway, yes, and if you haven't checked out Jess's channel, go over and check out her. So yeah, if you haven't checked out any of my BFFs, go over and check out Jess Gus, Karen MUA, Catherine McCarty, Keeping It Simple with Bridget, and Pretty Over 50, Makeup Queenie, Robin's Beauty Over 50. Yeah. So there's a quick shout out. I'll get to some more. So anyway, yeah, let me know. And so if you are interested in winning this 4-pack just in a quick flash giveaway, just be subscribed to my channel and just say enter me. If you haven't subscribed to my channel and you'd like to be, all you got to do is click the big red subscribe button down below. If you'd like to know whenever I post further content to my channel, all you got to do is click on the post notification bell and YouTube will let you know whenever there's something new to watch on my channel. I hope that today finds you happy, healthy, and well. And until next time, mwah, smidges everybody. Bye-bye for now.